guys, welcome to Kelly's Corner. Today I'm going to be making a Grinch gnome out of an old sock, some green fur, some red felt, some white felt. These are for the Santa hat, and this as the top right now. Ideally like white, but I didn't have any, so I'm going to use one of these. We're also going to need some kind of filling. Now you can use a polyfill, but you can also use rice, you can use cotton balls, an old shirt, whatever you have available. Gonna need a glue gun, some rubber bands, and some scissors. Let's get started. This is going to sit on the toe, so you kind of want that to be the heaviest part. Now you're going to kind of start filling out within the heel a place to make the nose. Now I'm going to be painting this green, so I went ahead and got a green rubber band. Okay. And then I'm going to rubber band the top as well. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. So there's that. I want to go ahead and show you a couple other projects we did with using old socks. The girls actually did these. And they're snowmen with a little black sock here on top, some buttons, and some puff paint. Okay, now we need to cut out some fur. Now, I wish I had the long green fur like other gnome beards, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. And I'm just going to cut kind of feeling for the nose to see how long I want to do this. So maybe like right there. I'm going to kind of go above that. Now that's cut, I'm going to do some hot glue up around the nose. Okay, so I am going to go over it with a lighter green. That one was drying way too dark. So you just gotta find the one that matches your fabric. So now I'm going to take my red felt. I'm going to do some hot glue here on the bottom. Try to get it down around the nose as much as possible and around the head. And then I'll shape the cone. I might go ahead while I'm here and paint the bottom. Now I'm going to try to shape this into a cone by folding this piece in and then overlapping that, and then I'm just going to cut away a line here. I got some green paint here, and that's okay because I went ahead and cut out the white fur strip that will go around the hat, and I just got to glue that into place. So instead of using the pom-poms for the top, I think I'm going to take an extra piece of the fur and I'm going to stuff it, just kind of glue it into a ball. Stick that on top.